Ready to dive into the crypto world with Kucoin? Let's verify your account and unlock all the exchange has to offer. First, you'll need to access the Kucoin website or app. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you're new, click the sign up button and follow the registration prompts. This includes providing your email address and creating a strong password. After logging in, locate your profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on it, and then look for the KYC verification or identity verification option in the drop-down menu. Kucoin offers different verification levels, each with increasing withdrawal limits and access to features. Choose the level that best suits your needs. Generally, the higher the level, the more information you'll need to provide, but the more access you'll gain. Let's start with basic verification. For basic verification, you'll typically need to provide your country of residence and fill out some basic personal information, like your full name and date of birth. Carefully enter the information to ensure accuracy. Depending on the selected verification level, you may need to submit identity verification documents. This often includes a valid governmentist ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure the document is clear, legible, and within the specified file size and format. After submitting your information and documents, the verification process begins. This typically takes a few minutes to a few hours, but can sometimes take longer. Depending on the volume of applications, will receive notifications via email or within the Kucoin platform regarding the status of your verification. While waiting for your verification to be approved, take this time to enhance your account security. Enable two-factor authentication to FA with a 2FA app or SMS. This crucial step adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Check out the Kucoin Security Center for more information. Once your account is verified, you're ready to start trading, depositing, and withdrawing crypto on Kucoin. Always remember to trade responsibly and stay informed about the latest security practices. Happy trading!